Thunder Beach 2025, October. It's me and my dog Spank. Chilling on the side of the road early morning. About to check out this Best in Show. A little competition right quick. But yeah, Spank been doing this a long time. Here he is back in the day. The bikes were dope. You see for yourself. There's nothing I can say about them, man. These guys put a ton of work, a ton of effort in getting these bikes looking like this, man. Thinking about getting me a project bike myself. Check them out.